Hey everybody, it's Will here. This is Backyard Outdoors Quick Vid. Another miserable day out, so I thought I'd check out some of the gear I picked up here recently, and I'd share my thoughts on it with you guys. I got some outdoor products, dry bags. They come in a 3-pack. You can get them at like Walmart for like $10 for the 3-pack of 3, and you know, pretty nice. Not very expensive. I don't really have any experience with the dry bags. I've, always over the years just used garbage bags or stuff like that. But I thought I'd give something a little more durable a try. And at $10 for 3 of them, I didn't figure I could go wrong. The large one is a 10-liter one, 6-liter one. The medium's a 4-liter, 0.1. And small's a, so I guess you could, a variety of different things to them. And I like it says weather resistant, not dry, not, waterproof. But, they come in little bags. They're a little nylon bag. The box says that the seam has been double sealed taped. I'm not looking for them to take a swim. I'm just looking for something to throw in my kayak or my canoe to, I can put something in and it'll help keep the water off, earlier. Earlier I had one, basically what you do is you put whatever you're going to put in it, then you just roll the tops a couple times. I'm trying to do this one-handed. And you clip it, and it seals it up. And earlier I had one rolled up and clipped, and truth is it was holding the air really good. It wouldn't let the air out. So I'm guessing that's a good sign of it being somewhat, water resistant. Since it wouldn't let air out, I don't reckon it'll let water in. But like I said, I'm not looking to take a swim with them. I'm looking just to have something in the kayak to keep some of the gear stuff that I carry with me, from getting too wet. So there they are. There's 3 bags. They're pretty good size. I think, you can go one more up. I think I seen one on the shelf where they had one more up. It was like almost $10 on its own, and it was another half again as big as this, half again as large as this, as a larger one. And as you can see, here's my coffee cup, so you can get a relative idea of how big they are. There's a small one, so you can put stuff in there like fishing gear or, maybe some food stuff in there and wouldn't have no issue. And here's the next one up. I'm guessing that's the 4.1. Yeah, that'd be the 4.1 liter one, the medium. The small one's the 2.1. And then, so you can get a relative idea of how big it is. And then here's the 10.1. Now, again, I don't know what you'd put in, maybe swimsuit or, swimsuit. I guess you wouldn't use a swimsuit. You wouldn't use a swimsuit for, put in a dry bag. But, you could put like maybe a change of clothes or something in there. And same with this one, you can maybe put stuff a blanket or, I imagine you could probably get a sleeping bag or a hammock in there. Wouldn't have too much of an issue, or probably a good tarp. That way you wouldn't have to, small tent maybe. And that's the 10-liter one, and that gives you a good relative idea of how large it is next to that coffee cup. So, anyway, they look like they're going to be all right. I'm going to give them a shot this summer on my canoe and in my kayak. And I thought I'd share these with you. And this summer, when you start using them really good, and the weather doesn't, suck so bad like it has over the last month, I'll give a better review. Hey, I'm Will, and this has been a Backyard Outdoors Quick Vid.